Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the biggest waves in the financial ocean. Today, we're dissecting a monumental case that could reshape the future of cryptocurrencies. It's Ripple versus the SEC. If you're fascinated by crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you won't miss out on our latest insights. In 2024, Ripple, a giant in the blockchain sphere, took a significant step by moving to seal certain documents in its ongoing legal skirmish with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Why? Because the contents could dramatically influence not just their future, but the entire crypto market. Ripple argues these documents, packed with sensitive business details like financial statements and partnerships, are critical to keeping their competitive edge sharp. While Ripple fights to keep their secrets under wraps, the stakes couldn't be higher. A ruling against Ripple by the SEC could spell hefty fines and stricter regulations, tightening the noose on how digital assets operate nationwide. Despite the courtroom drama, Ripple's XRP token remains remarkably stable, trading around 50 cents with a market cap that still exceeds $28 billion. But the real question remains, how will this legal battle affect your investment? Could this be the case that sets a precedent for all digital currencies? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this story closely, bringing you the latest updates and expert analyses. For deeper dives into Ripple's journey and more explosive content on crypto trends, keep it locked right here. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on Ripple's legal maneuvers. Are they protecting innovation, or is there more at stake for the crypto world? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.